On Friday, Verify the Recall handed in its findings to the Wisconsin Government Accountability Board on all the recall elections. It says it found thousands of fraudulent signatures on recall petitions and hundreds of thousands of questionable ones.
We are here representing the Citizens Project called Verify the Recall, and we are at the GAB today to submit our findings to the GAB for their consideration and review.
I will make sure Kevin gets this. You know, as we've said in the past, we've always been happy to take a look at your results, however, we can't consider it to be an official challenge. State law doesn't allow that, but we're happy to look at it in terms of improving the process of recall petitioning, as well as for any potential fraud.
When they handed that stuff in, you said that the law doesn't allow you to consider that
Correct.
stuff. I thought
yes.
It was the law doesn't require you to.
No, Wisconsin law is permissive in that the law has to, you can't just go do something just because the law doesn't say you can't do it. So, you know, people could bring things in or, you know, other things, but the law doesn't say we're allowed to consider that. So there's no provision set up for third parties to file challenges, etc.
The GAB has previously criticized Verify the Recall's database.
The message that we've gotten from the GAB from the get-go of this project has been confusing. Sometimes they seem to want to work with us, sometimes they just want to throw us under the bus for whatever reason. It's very important to recognize that the information we submit to the GAB today is meant only to assist them in their review of the original documents. At no time do we believe that the GAB should accept any information from any organization, including Verify the Recall, at face value. So what we've turned in today will help the GAB review their original documents more efficiently, more cost effectively, and perhaps find a few things that they wouldn't have otherwise caught. But again, it's to assist them in their review of the original documents. We do not proclaim that our database is 100% accurate. We do proclaim that it is the most accurate and most accessible database available to the average Wisconsinite, because to our knowledge it is really the only database out there.
Verify the Recall says it found enough fraudulent signatures to throw away the recall election for Senator Scott Fitzgerald. For now, Verify the Recall volunteers will have to wait to see what the GAB decides to do with their findings and whether they might have to take the GAB to court. For the MacIver Institute, I'm Bill Osmolsky.